Hi, in this lecture, we will learn how to split the Excel window into separate parts. Yup, you can do that too. This sheet is both wide and large enough, so at some point you may need to work with cells that are distant from each other. Split Screen is the right tool to help you see both parts of the spreadsheet simultaneously. There are a couple of ways to split the screen, either horizontally or vertically. To split the screen horizontally, you must select a cell from the first column, A, of the table, and then, in the View tab of the ribbon, press the Split button. OK. A thin gray line appears across the top border of the selected cell and the rest of the screen. The two sides you see here are called panes. So here's the deal. You can work in the upper pane any way you like. The same is valid for the lower pane. It is as though you have opened the same sheet twice, but you have opened it just once. Look how moving down does not affect the lower pane, unless the same cell is visible on both parts of the screen. That's it. Split Screen is there if you need it. You can move the separating line by pressing and dragging to the place where you want it to be. To remove it, you can either release the Split button under the View tab or merely double-click with the mouse over the gray line. Pretty intuitive, right? Usually, you will need to split the screen vertically. To do that, select a cell from the first row of the sheet and repeat the same operation. Press the Split button. To move from pane to pane, just click on a cell, and Excel will automatically direct its attention to the relevant pane. See, I am currently on the right. But if I click here, the left pane will suddenly become the one I am navigating in. I will remove the splitting line now by double-clicking on it. And we'll show you one last option. You can even split the screen into 4 panes, both horizontally and vertically at the same time. Here, you shouldn't select a cell from column A or row number 1. Instead, you need to select a cell that lies in the mid part of the sheet. This is the only difference. Splitting the screen in 4 can be a bit confusing rather than helpful, but it depends on what works best for you. Just see how, by using the combination of Control and the arrow keys, I can get to the 4 corners of the sheet. This means I can see distant cells simultaneously. To remove both the horizontal and the vertical lines simultaneously, click on the point where they meet. Because if you clicked on the horizontal line only, you would still have a left and right pane. Right, so let's remove both lines. Done. This is how we can split the screen and work with multiple panes at the same time. Thanks for watching.